Hello fellow rosarians, thank you for joining me today. We are here in the side garden on the street side, and I wanted to share with you a spotlight on two yellow roses that are David Austin. This is the Country Parson and Charles Darwin. I'm gardening in zone 8A in a highly humid in a high humidity environment, and so I need to look for roses that are black spot resistant. In this first flush, the Country Parson is black spot resistant, and the new blooms are a very vivid yellow and they fade a little creamier. Now Charles Darwin is also black spot resistant with a fruity fragrance, and the color is really unique in comparison to the bright vivid yellow of the Country Parson. This looks more, I would say, mustardy in color. It's just a different color yellow, and it fades down to a cream. So if you're not feeling bright yellow, maybe you would like something a little bit more muted, like Charles Darwin. He is black spot resistant and very highly petaled. So there are two yellow David Austin roses for you to consider. Thanks so much for joining me, Rosebuds. I'll see you in your next video.